Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said that China's achievement in poverty alleviation is unprecedented, and its experience has set a role model for the rest of the world to emulate.
This unique experience of China is a role model for the rest of the world to emulate. How could China lift 800 million people out of poverty? Our total population is 220 million, and we are struggling to, raise our people below poverty line, to take them out of that deep pit and make them, honorable and prosperous Pakistanis. But China has done this miracle. So this is something, unprecedented, and we all must learn from this experience. So I think that's my mission and that's my motto. Party-to-party relations are very important. People-to-people relations are very important. So I think we need to learn from their experience as to how they have been able to achieve this remarkable, progress and development, and alleviating poverty, unemployment, economic woes, and converted them into happiness. I think that's a lesson to be learned by us, and I really have been looking forward to learning from their experience.